Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making stewed chicken legs. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. You will need 2 pounds of chicken legs, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, 1 cup of onion, 1 green bell pepper, 1 red bell pepper, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 stalk of celery, 1 10-ounce can of cream of mushroom soup, 1.5 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper, and 1/2 tablespoon of salt. In a bowl, combine your cream of mushroom soup and your chicken bouillon. Now pour in your water, then mix until well combined. In a small bowl, combine your onion powder, salt, and pepper. Now add the garlic powder, paprika, and Cajun seasoning, then mix until well combined. Make sure your chicken leg has been thoroughly cleaned and dried. Now season with your seasoning mixture. Now add your red bell pepper, green bell pepper, celery, onion, and garlic to your baking dish. Now add your chicken. Now pour in the soup mixture. Make sure to pour it along the side of your dish, not to disrupt the seasoning on your chicken. If you'd like a printable version of this recipe and other recipes, please visit my website at soulfoodcooking101.com. A link is in the description below. Cover your baking dish, then transfer it to the preheated oven and allow it to cook for 45 minutes covered. After 45 minutes, remove your foil, give it a good stir, then allow it to cook for an additional 45 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made for you.